ERPNext versus Zoho versus Intuit QuickBooks. Let's start with ERPNext. ERPNext is a platform where all-in-one, a fully open source ERP built for SMEs. It includes more modules like accounting, which is what you can see here, procurement, sales, CRM, stock, manufacturing, projects, assets, point of sale, quality, support, HR and payroll, and even a no-code builder. They also have industries, so like for manufacturing, trading, distribution, retail, engineering, e-commerce, education, healthcare, professional service, financial services, and nonprofit. So that's all they offer. And it's all in a self-hostable or cloud-based system. Now let's talk about its pros. It is 100% open source, so there's no vendor lock-in, full-featured CRM. You can even have this feature. So it even has a excellent product-based and service-based businesses, all in one with an ERP accounting. And they also have offers for modular and customizable. So the Python is plus the Frog framework is really, really good integration. They also have a self-hosting or a cloud hosting flexibility. It also has a good support for multi-currency and global operations. And they even have an active developer community, which is what you can see here, and a community of committed open source entrepreneurs as well. And they are very, very active developers. And you can even see here in the partners or the blogs all the stories that happened behind and how did it happen and how it got funded, how it got integrated into this platform. Now, although I've mentioned some really good things, here are some cons on this website. So, the setup can be technical and it's better suited for teams with IT support. The UI also can be feel like a less polished compared to Zoho or QuickBooks. It also lacks the deep third-party integration out of the box, and the initial learning curve is steeper than Zoho or QuickBooks. So as you can see, that's for the ERPNext. Now next we have is Zoho. Zoho Books or Zoho One offers a full suite of online businesses tools. Zoho Books focuses on accounting, while Zoho One bundles 50 plus apps into a full cloud ERP style platform. So let's take a look at its pros first. So first, it has a modern UI with a beginner friendly tool. So as you can see, it's beginner friendly, it has beginner friendly tools. It's also good for enterprises. It also has the Zoho Books, which is great for accounting, invoicing, and tax compliance. Now, the Zoho Books and the Zoho One are different, so take note of that. And they also have a Zoho One, so it includes 50 plus integrated business apps, CRM, payroll, HR, inventory, etc. So those are for the Zoho One, which is what you can see in the product. So this is the Zoho One right here. You can see you can try Zoho One for free as well, and they even have a marketplace. So let's try that as well. Let's check that out. And then for these apps, these are the apps that you can try on Zoho. And for the Zoho one, as you can see here, it is the operating system for business. You can even start a free trial for only 30 days and there's no card required. So as you can see, this is what it will look like on your dashboard, the Zoho one and integrations with it. So it is a very modern UI. So they also have an offer for cloud-based, no need for self-hosting. They also have very affordable for startups and growing SMEs. So you can start this using this for startups and stuff or research project pitchings and stuff like that. And it also has a good customer support and documentation. Now, let's talk about its cons though. For the cons, Zoho Books alone is limited compared to the full ERP. And the Zoho One pricing scales with the user count. So if you have a lot of user count, you're gonna be paying a lot of money for that Zoho One subscription. And it's also not open source or self-hostable, so you cannot self-host it. You need to have a cloud-based system. It also has some advanced inventory manufacturing tools and which lacks the ARP depth. And the learning curve, if you use many apps at once, is very, very steep. So you need to learn and study the app itself and learn how to use it. Although they have a marketplace where you can create your own apps, make your own apps, design your own custom apps, and even sell it. And you can also buy your own CRMs and stuff, which is located in this marketplace from analytics to click to recruit to mail to desk, custom apps from CRMs, and even more, which is what you will see here in the marketplace. They have a lot of features here, a lot of customization, a lot of options to choose from. Now, they also have e-commerce and stuff, and that's all for the products. They even have a lot of products where you can check if you want on yourself. You can try checking Zero or sign in and create your account and check whatever else they offer. And that's our for the Zero. Now, lastly, we have is Intuit QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks is the leading small business accounting software known for easy invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax filing, and basic inventory. It's available as online or desktop versions. So let's talk about its pros. First, it is extremely user-friendly, an extremely user-friendly accounting platform. So as you can see, it's not that hard to use. It's very simple, easy to use, can even have a lot of discounts. It is also great for freelancers, small businesses, and service providers. So you can, if you are a freelancer or a student, it might not be that good for you, but it's still usable. So it's also a great option. And it also has invoicing, bills, receipts, bank syncing, and tax tools. So if you're making a lot of expenses, want to organize them all, you can integrate it in QuickBooks as well. And it's also available on desktop. They also have deep accountant and bookkeeping ecosystem. So if you want to try accounting and some bookkeeping stuff, you might want to try QuickBooks. They integrate well with payroll as well, POS and e-commerce tools like probably Shopify. You can even try some e-commerce tools integrated with QuickBooks. And then they also have a wide adoption and is trusted globally. Now let's talk about its cons. For the cons though, you will see here that they are not a full ERP. They lack the HR, they lack the manufacturing, they lack the CRM, and many more. QuickBooks Online also can get expensive with a lot of add-ons. And the desktop version lacks the modern cloud features. They also have limited customization. They also have no open source or self-hosting options. And it is a poor fit for complex businesses or product-based firms. So it's basically just made for small businesses. So as you can see here, here are the pricing for each feature. So if you want a simple start, this is in Filipino money, Philippine peso. But if you want to convert it, you can just convert it. It's probably around $6, and this is probably around 10, $9 if I'm correct. And that's for the features. For the popular one, this is around 10 to 11, $12 as well. And for the advanced, this is around $20. So that's for the features for the simple start, the essentials, plus, and for advanced. And those are the plans. So you can even get discounts off the day. So as you can see, they have a lot of discounts. So normally it would have been 4,000 pesos, which is around close to $80, and that's very, very expensive. So that's a very, very good discount today. So if you want to start now, you can try QuickBooks today. Now, overall, choose ERPNext if you want a complete open source ERP that does more than just accounting. And choose Zoho if you want a modern all-in-one business suite that grows with your company and is easy to deploy in the cloud. And then choose QuickBooks if you're a freelancer, small business owner, or an accountant who needs fast, clean bookkeeping without the complexity of an ERP feature or a system.